Hi and welcome back to Spot On Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to access and remove jack kit in 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander. This is gonna apply to Mitsubishi Outlanders made from 2010 and all the way up to 2021, and of course if they are equipped with jack kit and spare tire. So first I'll open the lift gate and now your jack kit and tools are located in the passenger side in the rear quarter panel right behind this cover. So to remove this cover you wanna pull this down and then pull this cover out of the way, and right there you're gonna see your tools. Now right inside is your jack lift. To remove this jack lift you wanna reach at the end of this jack and you wanna turn this counterclockwise. And now your jack is loose and you can just pull it out. To put it back in the place you will have to align it there. Now when it's nice aligned and sits properly, you wanna turn this clockwise until it's nice and snug and it doesn't move. And now I'm gonna put this cover back on, push it in, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.